How to convert PDF to Microsoft Excel. Hello everyone, welcome to Excel 10 tutorial. In this quick Excel tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can convert your PDF file to Microsoft Excel. Okay. Now I have a PDF file here. If I double click here, well, it seems my default PDF viewer is browser. Now this is the PDF and I want to take this part to Microsoft Excel. Okay, I'm not going to use any software here. I'm going to use Microsoft Word and then I'm going to convert it to Microsoft Excel. Okay, open Microsoft Word and open that PDF file. Click OK here. It will take some time depending on your PDF size. Okay, so our PDF is converted to Microsoft Word and now I'm going to copy it and then I'm going to open Microsoft Excel. I'm going to paste it here. Here I have two options, without formatting and the source formatting. Okay, if you want you can convert it without formatting, or if you have a formatting already set up in your Excel, you can convert this data and you can use the formatting you have on your Excel, because it says match destination formatting, and I have another option, keep source formatting. I'm going to keep the source formatting here, and now our PDF file has been converted to Excel. Now there are a few things I should consider here. I have a lot of merged data and I'm going to unmerge them. Okay, select the enter sheet. You can see your data has been pasted into Microsoft Excel. Select it, format, auto fit row height, auto fit column width. Now you can see I have the data here. Now there are some formatting you should consider, like changing the values to currencies, and you need to do all the basic formatting, but you can simply copy the data from your PDF to Excel using Microsoft Word. This is what I wanted to show you. Thank you, thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. If you are using Office 365, you will find here data, and here you will get data option, and then from file here in Office 365 you will have PDF option. If you select that, you can easily convert your PDF to Excel, but as I am not using 365, I'm going to do this just the way I have showed you. This is what I wanted to show you. Thank you, thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. If you can, support the channel through Patreon and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, thanks for watching.